this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer photos and videos from your Samsung phone over to your Windows 10 computer or laptop or Windows 11 PC. So you can see my Samsung phone here. What we need to do is plug in a USB cable from our laptop or our PC over to our phone. Now, the most important thing is to allow file transfer, otherwise it's simply not going to work. So in the top left of your phone, you can see all these different notifications. Let's clear it out. And then when we plug this in, we should see a pop-up notification. We might see it pop up on the screen. We might not, but look in the top left now. You can see USB file transfer right here. Tap this. Now we need to allow USB file transfer. If we don't, it's probably just going to be charging phone only or something like that. Go to this option, transferring files. Most important option. Then we just need to put our phone down and go over to a computer. So we can go to this little file explorer on the bottom, open this up, scroll on down on the left and locate your phone. So here's Timbo's A16, and then we got my SD card on here and my internal storage. So there are two different storage spots, and you're gonna have to go through both of those if you got a SD card connected. And then we can go down. Here's DCIM is where our photos and videos are gonna be located. Otherwise, you can maybe find something in your downloads or Facebook. Here's movies. So look in different areas too. But DCIM is where your camera app is going to be storing your pictures. Then we can go to screenshots, Google Photos. Here's camera. And then here's some of my pictures and videos I did on my A16. So if you go to the top right, you can go to select all. And then we can select everything here. If we go to move, or if we go to cut, we'll delete it from our phone and move it to a folder. If we go to copy, it will stay on our phone. So decide which one you want. I'm going to go to cut and then locate a folder on the left side here. Let's go to pictures. You can right click and make a new folder called pictures or photos or something like that. I'm going to go to save pictures and right click and go to paste. And everything, including those videos, should paste in there, and then we can open this up. And now it should be on my PC. So you can see I have it on here now, and it's working. So it's very easy to transfer everything over. The most important thing is just to allow transferring files. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.